Hey Anthony.
What?
You know what time it is?
What?
It's car parts time.
What car parts?
Those car parts.
What are those car parts? Let's go find out. Alright guys, so today we are installing brand new headlights on my wagon here. HID conversion, DRL running lights, sequential turn signals, everything. So first, I gotta move this thing out so we have room to work. Alright, so we're gonna take the front bumper off now that we have proper room to work here. We're gonna take the front bumper off, take these lights out, but first, there's the new headlights. They're all blacked out. They've got like the MK7.5 like DRLs on them. They're gonna be sexy. They'll be nice, that's for sure. Hell yeah. Alright, so we're just gonna kinda start tearing in this. It's so nice to finally be working in the garage. Make sure, just word of warning, if anyone else does this while it's really dark. There's like so many clips on this front. You have to take the grill out first because like the grill goes into these pieces here, so you'll break it like I almost did. Even though I've replaced my bumper a few times. Yeah, Golf R bumper's off. So now we're gonna tackle this headlight first and compare to that headlight. Things will be cool. Nice. Alright, so we got this headlight out. So here's the old one here, just reflective halogen garbage. And then here's the new one. I know this film's still on it right now. I don't want to take it off all the way before they're on, but oof, it's hard to see. Black housings. It's got this nice little like honeycomb effect thing in there. So we've got a projector. Anthony's actually doing right now is the HID conversion. So we're coming from halogen bulbs to now really nice bright white HIDs. And then this also has an LED high beam, and then here's the LED lights, and we got the reflector blacked out, which is nice. So the whole thing is blacked out. Pretty nice, pretty sweet. Yeah, and it's supposed to be plug and play, so we're gonna see just how easy plug and play it is. Remember, safety first. So what we're doing here, is Anthony's just going for it, is, well, I guess let's show him first before we get too crazy. So there's this little hole right here that you can run the wires through, but this one is too big! Just like our spoons!
My spoon is too big.
So we're gonna Dremel it a little bit so we get that through, have that nice weather seal. Alright, so we have these ballasts right here, so I'll explain more in a second. But for the driver's side, we mounted it right under there to that bracket. So we just mounted it to the bottom of this bracket, which is the headlight slides in right there, which is great. It's right above the wheel well, so it's not really gonna get water. So now we're gonna put the light in. We already tested that it works. It was freaking sweet. So we're gonna put it in, and then we'll show you guys the differences between them. Okay, so I hope I'm in focus, but we got the headlight in, we tested it before we put it in, so now we're gonna hope that it works. It's all the way in. So we're gonna show you the differences between them. But first,
Ooh. Ooh. Yes. All right. Do that. Turn the DRL off. Are you joking right now?
Hey, we didn't put the tip in it.
Huh?
We didn't put the tip in it.
Oh yeah. Oh, thank God.
Everyone wondering what happened. There's the 10-pin connector that goes to the actual headlight housing. We forgot to plug that one thing in. We forgot to plug that in. Okay, round 2 here.
Now we got the 10-pin connector connected. It all in. Let's see. Oh shit. Dang, dude. It works. So look how bright those are. That's insane. So garbage. Not garbage. Alright, let's see those turn signals. These supposed to be sequential. Woo! Yeah, look at those. That's badass. And it goes with the mirror. Hell yeah. Turn the actual light on, the low beam. Ooh. Garbage. Not garbage. Oh man, that is sick, dude. Alright, let's see that high beam. It's LED high beam. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh dude, those are so sick. Light output is nice. That's terrible. That's nice. Cool. Let's do the other one now.
Alright, so I didn't show you guys before we put it in the headlight in the car. So what we got here, so this is the ballast. Now there are several different sizes. I just did a 35 watt. Some of you may think that's not enough, but it's perfectly fine because this is also a newer car, so it's perfectly fine. So I ordered the 35 primarily because it's slim, because there's not a lot of room in these engine bays. So the slim one allows us more room. It's easier to hide and tuck away. I ordered a relay harness, but for the time being, we don't need one, and I don't want these wires running throughout the entire engine bay. And then obviously we've got our bulb in here, which connects here. So thought I'd just show you guys that. If you have questions about where I got this or more about this setup, comments down below. But now we're just gonna throw the other one in, and then we'll see them both together. Cool, so what's up, vlog fam, channel fam? I don't know what to call you guys yet. So this is a couple days later. We got the lights installed, got it all wired up properly and everything, but the HID low beams keep flickering, and so we have the anti-flicker harness that gets rid of that for us. I really didn't want to have to run it because I don't want wires going through the engine bay. I want it to look as stock as possible, but it just doesn't look like that's gonna be able to happen, so we're gonna do our best to hide it. Luckily the wires are already like heat wrapped and everything, so it won't be as noticeable. We have to take the positive, and I'll show you guys here in a second, the positive onto the positive terminal, the little like loop that comes with the harness. But Volkswagen designed it to where these nuts don't come all the way off of the battery terminal. So Anthony's currently dremeling. And did we get it? I'm about to find out. Nope.
We're basically dremeling the end of this so that we can get that off and just slide the ring on. And to show you guys wherever I put that, this is the little ring, right? That has to go on. We could just like cut a slit in it, but I really don't want to have to do that. So we're just gonna do it this way, which is fine and not hurting anything, and have a better solid connection. And yeah, and then we'll rewire up the headlights, and then everything should finally work as it's supposed to.
Also, while Anthony's doing that, if you guys haven't checked out the other video where we introduced both the wagons.
This is Anthony's wagon right here. We took it into the mountains yesterday, so it got super dirty, and to a point where like we couldn't see out the back. Yeah, it was pretty funny. It was a good time. So
that video will be coming out probably a week after this one then, because I'm going to try to be doing weekly uploads. But yeah, we're doing some cool things with that wagon too, so you should check it out. If you guys have questions, thoughts, comments about the car, about the lights, about anything that's going on, feel free to comment down below. Just hit that like button, guys, and as always, subscribe. Keep chasing happiness. We'll see you guys in the next one.